In this tutorial, I'm gonna be walking through what is disappearing messages on WhatsApp and how to use it. Disappearing messages is a WhatsApp privacy feature that automatically deletes messages from a chat after a selected time. Meaning, messages, photos, videos, and files will auto delete from both sides. You can choose the auto delete time like 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days. This helps keep chats private and save storage. And the important note is the other person can still screenshot or save media before it disappears. Now let's see how to enable disappear message. Just go to a chat or conversation, tap on the chat name, scroll down and tap on disappearing messages. And here select a disappearing message timer. If you select 24 hours, all of your sent and received message in this conversation will be automatically disappear after 24 hours. Thanks for watching.